Welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to learn how to correctly pronounce and understand the meaning of three fun words. First up, we have this word which is pronounced ideology. Ideology. And it's all about what you believe in. Like, do you believe in the power of words? That's an ideology. Remember, the more words you know, the more powerful you are. Here is a sentence example. The practice of yoga is an ideology that the staff of Yoga Journal takes very seriously. Next up, we have this word which is pronounced as folklore. Folklore. Folklore is all about the stories and customs passed down through generations. An example of folklore could be the Irish fairy folklore, stories of fairies, also known as the little people living in a parallel world interacting with humans. They have magical powers and can be benevolent or mischievous. Passed down through generations, these stories are an important part of Irish culture and folklore. Folklore is the rich cultural heritage that you can discover by exploring and learning from different cultures. Here is a sentence example. I am interested in anything pertaining to folklore. Last but not least, let's talk about this word which is pronounced hover. Hover. And it's all about staying suspended in the air, like a bird or a drone. Can you imagine hovering over your city and seeing everything from above? That would be so cool. Remember, expanding your vocabulary means expanding your mind's ability to explore and understand new ideas and perspectives. Here is a sentence example for the word hover. I saw the helicopter hover in the air and then it crashed into our guest house. That's all for this video, folks. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you next time with more fun and interesting words.